Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. It's Dyno Day. Today we got a pretty unique one for you today. This is a 2021 F-150 in the regular cab short bed configuration and the very good looking anti-matter blue paint. This does have the Gen 3 Coyote, which is rated at 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Now the way the truck sits, it's completely stock with the exception of a MagnaFlow catback with a gutted resonator and the well drag pack. Out back, that is a 17-inch wheel with a 305/45/17 tire. This does have the 10R80 transmission, aluminum drive shaft, and a 315 rear gear. Technically, 7th gear is our 1-to-1 ratio, but because of the speed limiter in the truck, which is going to limit us to about 95 miles an hour, and the 315 rear gear, we're gonna have to do a few pulls, figure out which pull is gonna net us the most power and torque. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear the air on that one. If I also failed to mention, we have E85 fuel. With that being said, we're gonna make a quick trip around the truck, make sure our straps are tight, lugs are torqued. We're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's go ahead and check out some numbers. This Gen 3 Coyote F150 is making 361 horsepower at 5,400 RPM and 400 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 RPM. So definitely in the torque area. Again, I said 410 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. This truck is making 10 pound-feet less at the tires. We were able to do a full pull and utilize the entire RPM range on this Gen 3 F-150. I'd be willing to bet we'd be around the 380, 385 mark in terms of horsepower. This truck does belong to Neal Jimenez. Neal Jimenez is one of our employees. He's always got crazy stuff and cool stuff in his garage, and this is one of his latest pickups, no pun intended. He does have a few plans for it, Whipple, all the supporting mods, etc. So he wanted to get some baseline numbers before he starts tearing into the truck. All right, that's all we have for you today. We're gonna go ahead and sign off until we catch you in the next one. Remember, for all things 79 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.